There are lots of ways to add in contents onto your Microsoft Sway document. And let's see some of the options that are provided. One of the options that you have is to insert content from OneDrive. So now if I were to press the plus button right here, and let's say, for example, you want something like an image, what you can do is you can go directly onto your OneDrive account from right over here. And if you're logged in onto your OneDrive account, then you'll be able to access the files just like that. So you can just select out the file that you want and add it in. And what happens is that the document, the PDF document, got imported, as you can see right here. So let's just click on import, and that file will be added onto your Sway document. So it's as simple as that. So you can access your OneDrive document right here. So you're already logged in with your Microsoft account, so the same files on the OneDrive account for that Microsoft account will be accessed out just like this, as you can see right here. And here the anywhere access has been imported in from the PDF, as you can see. Besides that, the other options you have is suggested content, which we have been using, but over here there's other options, like you can search images through Flickr, which is a popular photo service. So you can just search for images right here and then use them out. Of course, the Bing images is there, which is from Microsoft. There's Spigot as well right over here. So you can search out images from this service, and YouTube for video services from right over here. So these are where you can find in different content and embed in Microsoft Sway. And so the options are limitless. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.